how this Father's Day gift helps my husband shave his head anywhere. My husband's head shaving routine used to be a mix of barbershop visits and wrestling with razors at home, but then I got him the Freebird Shaving Kit for Father's Day, and it's completely changed his routine. Now, he enjoys the convenience of shaving his head whenever and wherever he wants. No appointments or sink cleanup required. Freebird's electric head shaver features 5 scalp-safe blades that prevent cuts and irritation. It works on all hair types, sensitive skin, and it has different attachments for different areas. The difference is especially clear when we're on the go. Freebird is cordless, waterproof, and compact. He can slip the shaver into his travel bag for quick touch-ups or full shaves. And let's talk about cost. Those barber visits add up, not to mention the endless buying of razors and shaving cream. This Freebird shaver, on the other hand, pays for itself in convenience and savings over and over again. If you're looking for the perfect Father's Day gift, one that offers freedom, comfort, and savings, get him Freebird's electric head shaver. Save on his shave with the Freebird Shaving Kit, now 60% off through Father's Day.